Gronkowski. I'm the president this year. I know it's not on the itinerary, but I talked to a couple of the extreme guys, and they will be playing on Larry's Hill today at 3 o'clock. So have a great time, guys. It's going to be a beautiful day. Let's wheel. Another great weather day. This is great. Enjoy this weather. Hey, I can say it now because we know it's not going to rain this weekend. Your tires should be aired down and you should be disconnected. Hopefully you've already communicated with your trail guide. Please wear your seatbelts. If you have a dog, harness them in. If you're going to keep them in the Jeep when you're doing an obstacle, you want to keep them safe too. Please be patient. We have a diverse group of driver experience here. All right, guys, have a great day and let's wheel.